Have you ever experienced pain before? How will you feel when people call you with the names like Momo, Corona, Chowmin? Oh, I can't say that name in the video because then I will be fined 500 rupees. So in exchange for just 500 rupees, someone can throw racist comments on the people from the northeastern part of India. Every day, we get news of someone throwing racist comments on the people from the northeastern part of India. We are coming from a society where a Manipuri woman was spit on by a Delhi man when she was coming from the grocery and was even called Corona. On the same night, a group of students from the northeastern part of India were told to leave their building compound and were called Go Corona Go. There's nothing shocking about asking the women from the northeast, Rate Kya Hai? And sadly, I know so many incidents of racist abuses against the people from the northeastern part of India that I can make a video just on those abuses. But do you know what the northeast states have given India? Assam. This is the only state in India where we see one-horned rhino in the Kaziranga National Park. 52% of tea in India comes from Assam. That means without Northeast, there is no tea. Have you heard about the village Molinong? It is the cleanest village in India situated in Meghalaya. Locals of Meghalaya worship the forest as God and protect the jungle. That's why there is such a dense forest in Meghalaya. So if there is no Northeast, there is no forest. Tripura has given us R.D. Burman and S.D. Burman, the two famous music composers of India. So if there is no Northeast, there is no music from these two famous music composers. There is a deep connection between feminism and Manipur. There's a market at Imphal that's a women-only market. If there is no Northeast, there is no big example of feminism in India. Mizoram has shops without shopkeepers. People come, take things and leave the money. That unbelievable culture is only in the Northeast. Konoma in Nagaland is India's first green village. Sikkim is a completely organic state. Nobody uses chemical fertilizers or pesticides here. Many players of our football team come from Sikkim. That means without the Northeast, we don't have football. China wants to grab Arunachal from us, but the people of Arunachal want to stay with us always. Once China had attacked India from the part of Arunachal, but the people of Arunachal took their cooking utensils and fought against the Chinese soldiers to protect India. And sportspersons from Northeast like Marikom, Deepa Karmakar, Lovelina Borgohain, Mirabai Chanu all represent India in the international level and have won prestigious medals for India. So if there is no Northeast, there won't be international medals for India. Gladly, I can continue this list and it is never ending. Many of us throw racist comments on the people from the northeast part of India because that part shares its boundaries with China, or because those people from there have smaller eyes, or just their food habit is different, and that really makes us racist. But how long do you think that the people from the northeast part of India are going to bear such humiliation? We all know that foreign powers are always trying to attack our unity, and if we keep hating our own people, then it will be easier for the foreign powers to break us. So if you think that this video can help someone to change one's mentality towards the people from the northeastern states of India, please share this video as much as possible because it's enough pain. Let's be one again. That's Shudipta Speaks, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to share the video and like the page.